The financial world, once dominated by human intuition and traditional algorithms, is rapidly transforming. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is ushering in a new era of speed, efficiency, and data-driven decision-making. From predicting market trends to identifying fraudulent transactions, AI is reshaping the financial landscape as we know it. This technological revolution promises to empower businesses and consumers alike, but not without raising important ethical and practical considerations. One of the most significant impacts of AI in finance is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data at an unprecedented scale. Traditional methods of financial analysis pale in comparison to the speed and accuracy of AI-powered systems. This allows financial institutions to make more informed decisions, optimize investments, and better manage risk. Moreover, AI is automating many tasks previously performed by humans, freeing up valuable time and resources for more complex and strategic initiatives. However, the rise of AI in finance is not without its challenges. Concerns about algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement are at the forefront of the debate. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into the fabric of the financial system, it is crucial to address these challenges head-on and ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically. The future of finance is inextricably linked to the development and deployment of AI. By embracing the transformative potential of AI while mitigating its risks, we can create a more efficient, inclusive, and secure financial system for all. The trading floor, once a cacophony of human voices and frantic hand gestures, is steadily being reshaped by the silent efficiency of AI. Algorithmic trading, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, is now responsible for a significant portion of trading activity in global financial markets. These algorithms can analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades at lightning speed, far surpassing human capabilities. One of the key advantages of AI in trading is its ability to remove human emotions from the equation. Fear and greed, often detrimental to sound investment decisions, are non-factors for AI-powered trading systems. This allows for more rational and objective decision-making, potentially leading to more stable and predictable market outcomes. Additionally, AI algorithms can operate 24/7, tirelessly monitoring markets and identifying trading opportunities that humans might miss. However, the rise of algorithmic trading has also raised concerns about market manipulation and systemic risk. The speed and interconnectedness of AI-driven trading systems can amplify market volatility and potentially lead to flash crashes. Regulators around the world are grappling with how to best monitor and regulate this rapidly evolving landscape to ensure market integrity and investor protection. Despite the challenges, the use of AI in financial trading is only expected to grow in the coming years. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated and data availability increases, we can expect to see even greater efficiency and automation in the way financial markets operate. The ability of AI to analyze vast datasets and identify patterns makes it a powerful tool for managing risk and combating financial crime. Financial institutions are increasingly leveraging AI-powered systems to assess creditworthiness, detect fraudulent transactions, and predict market volatility. By automating these critical functions, AI is freeing up human analysts to focus on more complex and strategic tasks. Credit scoring, a crucial aspect of lending decisions, is being revolutionized by AI. Traditional credit scoring models rely on limited data points, often excluding individuals with limited credit history. AI-powered systems can analyze a wider range of data, including social media activity and online spending habits, to create more comprehensive and inclusive credit profiles. This allows lenders to make more informed decisions and expand access to credit to underserved populations. Fraud detection is another area where AI is making significant strides. AI algorithms can analyze millions of transactions in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and flagging potential fraud attempts. This allows financial institutions to respond to threats more quickly and effectively, minimizing losses and protecting their customers. Moreover, AI can help identify emerging fraud trends, allowing institutions to stay ahead of the curve and adapt their security measures accordingly. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the role of AI in risk management and fraud detection will only become more critical. By embracing the power of AI, financial institutions can strengthen their defenses, protect their customers, and create a more secure and resilient financial system. While the potential benefits of AI in finance are undeniable, its implementation is not without ethical implications. The use of AI in decision-making processes, particularly those with significant consequences for individuals and society, raises concerns about fairness, transparency, and accountability. As AI systems become more complex and autonomous, it is crucial to ensure that they are designed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the potential for algorithmic bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. And if this data reflects existing societal biases, the resulting algorithms may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. For example, an AI-powered lending system trained on historical data that reflects discriminatory lending practices may unfairly deny loans to certain demographic groups. Another concern is the lack of transparency in AI decision-making. Complex AI algorithms can be difficult to interpret, even for experts. This lack of transparency can make it challenging to understand why a particular decision was made, making it difficult to challenge or correct unfair outcomes. Ensuring that AI systems are explainable and their decision-making processes are transparent is crucial for building trust and accountability. The use of AI in finance also raises concerns about data privacy. AI-powered systems rely on access to vast amounts of personal data, and it is essential to ensure that this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly and ethically. Striking the right balance between leveraging the power of data and protecting individual privacy is paramount in the ethical development and deployment of AI in finance. Building trust and accountability in AI systems is essential for their successful integration into the financial sector. As we conclude our exploration of AI in finance, it's clear that we stand at a crossroads. The potential for AI to revolutionize the financial sector is immense, but so are the challenges and responsibilities that come with it. The road ahead is paved with opportunities to innovate and improve financial services, making them more efficient, accessible, and tailored to individual needs. Imagine a world where personalized financial advice is available to everyone, where investments are optimized in real time, and where fraud is detected and prevented instantaneously. This is the promise of AI in finance. However, realizing this promise requires a collaborative effort. Policymakers, technologists, financial institutions, and society at large must work together to ensure that AI is developed and deployed ethically and responsibly. This means addressing algorithmic bias, ensuring transparency, protecting data privacy, and fostering a culture of accountability. The future of AI in finance is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about building systems that serve and empower everyone, not just a select few. It's about creating financial ecosystems that are fair, inclusive, and resilient. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI and finance. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. By staying informed and engaged, we can all contribute to a future where AI and finance work hand in hand for the betterment of society. Until next time, stay curious.